Welcome. Today, we're going to show you how to turn on light mode in the Gmail app, making your emails pop with bright clarity. Let's dive right in. First, grab your Android phone or tablet and open the Gmail app. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Tap on that menu icon to open up more options. Now, scroll down the list until you find the Settings option. Give it a tap to enter the Settings menu. Here, you'll see various configurations you can adjust to personalize your Gmail experience. Next, look for General Settings and tap on that. This section has several useful features to enhance your Gmail usage. Now, it's time to customize your theme. Find the Theme option and tap on it. This is where you can switch between different appearances for your app. Finally, you'll see several choices. Simply select Light from the list, and voila! You've successfully turned on light mode in Gmail. That's it. Your emails will now have a fresh, bright background, making them easier to read. Enjoy your newly customized Gmail experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.